What's inside our A balloon? It's A! Our alphabet's really coming together. And each letter gets their own bubble. Of course, some are big enough to share. Silly Dolly, don't hide your face. It's just a thing for our new craft. Just add glue and a paper clip, and it's your new pendant. Oh, poor baby. Almost thought you were a strawberry. All you need is a little TLC and our magic cloth. Just add water and watch it grow. Wow, you're looking better already. And your temperature's good too. Even got your appetite back. Gotta love bath toys, especially this golden shark. And he's a treasure shark too. You might feel a slight pinch. And look, there's a treasure chest. Just add water to open it up. Fish bones? Anything else in here? Let's clear it off. Is it a kazoo? A torpedo? No, it unlocks the shark. Wow, it's a skeleton shark rider. Come on in, the water's fine. Ooh, a miniature crane machine. Wow, you got 2 for 1. And that's not all. They glow in the dark. But let's keep them all together. We're gonna need another bowl. Look at that! It's a soda you can eat. And it comes in different flavors. Yeah, she's got a sweet tooth. Hey, what's that underneath? It's a big squishy tube with milkshakes. But let's see what makes it tick. Well, can't have milkshakes without milk. And soda, too? Well, hope you're thirsty. Oh, why must bad things happen to good soda? Well, at least we still got the bottle. And our old pal Wade. He looks thirsty. Oh, don't cry, Wade. We know what'll cheer you up. Or should I say who? It's Ember. Is someone chopping up onions? And speaking of onions, they're a look like ogres. It's lunchtime. Oh no! Fruits and veg! But the crawling bugs can stay. We've got plenty of wall for them. Hey, personal space is appreciated. Granted, not everyone likes bugs. But these guys are here to stay. Ooh, a sticker machine. Well, let's make some stickers. Oh, let's add a photo too. Place it on top and close the machine. It's like a little snow globe sticker. And look, it also works on shells. Just add resin. And since we've got all this resin, we can make liquid drop stickers. And don't forget, stickers are for sticking. Luigi! A plumber's work is never done. He's gone. Oh, there he is. And he's on a pen. And he's going for a ride. Just in time for the big test, too. Well, it's an A for effort. And not much else. Shame there's no restart button. Where there's money, Mr. Krabs isn't far behind. Never knew Eugene was so slimy. SpongeBob's here too, and he's golden. Add some gummy bears inside. And he'll give them a good squeeze. Well, can't let gummies go to waste. When it comes to candy, go big or go home.
Wow!
Wait, this isn't a real lollipop? And it's filled with white goop. Let's stick it in our balloon maker. Add some gummies while we're at it. Little more candy. Soda wouldn't hurt. Now seal it up and get squeezing. Corn on the cob. Take a bite. Oh, yeah. Hope those were baby teeth. Well, here's an idea. Grab some Nano tape. Take a piece, color it yellow, and roll it up into a tube. Now cut it up into little kernels. Bring them together and add a leaf. It's a brand new ear of corn. You can't exactly eat it, but it's still fun to pop. Happy birthday! Time to cut the cake. Wait, that's no cake. Is it even your birthday? Wait, there's something inside. It's a plastic mold. It's a little bear you can fill with rainbow sand. Fill it up and let it soak. And the bear stays intact. And look, he's brought friends. Hey, did you feel something? Oh, it's a bunny ball shooter. Uh-oh, they've joined forces. And they've just found their target. Duck! Also, you should hide. The bunny has found its match. Or maybe not. Either way, I think they're finished. One of these plants is not like the others. It's a candy tree, so let's add some candy. Keep rolling until the fruit blossoms. And why not add some toppings? Wow! Looks like a good harvest this year. Oh, come on, girls, don't fight. She doesn't even have shoes.
Ew.
Well, we can fix that. And what's better than Mario shoes? These boots were made for walking and jumping on Goombas.
Mamma mia!
But the important thing is that it keeps you from stepping in stuff.
Hey. Ew.
Still, what's fancier than customized shoes? When it comes to heels, the bigger the better. Now just add water. And maybe a splash of color. Watch what happens when you shake it up. And if you think that's neat, wait until we add the fish.
Wow.
It's snack time. And this chocolate toilet's great for dipping. Better keep an eye on that leak. After all, we can use it to make spiral candy. Kinda looks like soft serve ice cream. Especially when you add the toppings. Hey, be nice. There's plenty to go around. No matter, we can make our own treats. Add some swirls inside this Pop-It toy. And sprinkles. Now cover the whole thing in chocolate. Ew. It'll harden into a giant candy treat. Take a bite. Uh-oh. Well, just like these blemishes, we've got you covered.
Wow.
Just press on these little tattoos. And then add some sparkle and shine. Look at all those shapes. Hearts, crowns, wings.
Wow.
Your face is your very own charm bracelet. Oh no! It looks like it's spreading!
Oh no!
It's okay. Just draw a shape with a dry erase marker. Just look at how it slides right off. Give your face a nice dunk and look!
Wow.
They stick right on. Sure, you could just draw on your face, but where's the fun in that?
Ew.
Calm down. You just need soap and water. Guess it's easier said than done.
Oops.
Just use this soap dispenser. The soap comes out already lathered up. Soon those hands will be good as new. Just dry them off. Of course, bar soap can still be fun, especially when there's a prize inside. And don't worry if you decide you want your hands on that toy. All you need to do is keep washing those hands. Your nail is like a tiny canvas. Make it a work of art. And don't artists use pens? And also glitter. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, but so are emeralds.
Yay!
With all these different nails, it's like an art gallery right on your hand. Of course, some people prefer press-on nails. And we can even make our own machine. Now let's paint ourselves some nails. Both hands are free to add those little touches. And right into the cup it goes. We're gonna need 5 of these. Place your hand inside and take it for a spin. And the best part, it's easy to switch them up. Look, everyone, it's Balloon Mario! Oh no! Why would you? Oh, hey, is that a Pokeball? Nice! And in this corner, a giant water jug! Just cut off the top half. And fill it up with confetti.
Yay!
Now blow up a balloon. Don't close it, just twist it. Add to the bottom and let it go. Look at it go. Wait, who's cleaning that up? Gesundheit. We should clean that up. And not a moment too soon by the looks of it. Wait, are we still in your nose? I think we're lost. Well, at least it's a little cleaner than before.
Wow. Hey!
Now it's your turn, and we've got just the friend to help. And look, he slurps up all that gunk for you. Meaning you get to breathe easy. Money can solve a lot of problems. But sometimes the unexpected happens. In which case, you're gonna need a cool tool. Finally get to see that. It'll collect all those balls in a pinch. But the real fun is shooting them out all over again. Oh no! Your blocks! I knew we should have glued them in place. Well, who needs blocks when we've got socks? Hitch it to a vacuum. And it collects the blocks for you. And keeps them all in one place. Wow, that is one stretchy sock. And it does good work. It's back in one piece. Aw, what a cute little pig. And what a squishy nose. I guess you can't stop at just one. Wow, pretty soon this girl's gonna be nothing but noses. At least these snouts make for great shoulder pads. And falling on your face would be a walk in the park. Now let's try out your new knee pads. We should use these things to make a helmet. Ouch! A stubbed toe! Ugh, that's gotta hurt. Here's an idea. Grab a sponge.
Gotcha!
And cut it up into little squares. Make some holes and slide your toes inside. They work great all over. Oh, a helmet! Finally. Let's try it all out. It works! And not a stubbed toe in sight. It's dinner time. Ooh, fresh fruits and veggies. You know, there's something about this tray. Kind of looks like a board game. Quick, clean your plate. Yeah, we won a prize. Chocolate, the best kind of prize. Mashed potatoes can be fun too. Broccoli too. They're like baby trees. Now for some nuggets and gravy. Wow, a volcano, but without the baking soda. But the only explosion is in the taste. Hey, can you save me a nugget? Rich, poor, amazing stuff. Catch you next time.